Hi friends, today at Garfin's Creation, we'll be making the superfood Moringa powder. In India, we also call it as a drumstick plant. This Moringa powder is also used as medicines and it is rich in iron, calcium, potassium, vitamins, has got lots of fiber, antioxidants and also anti-inflammatory properties. This Moringa powder is very easy to make at home, so you can add it into your foods too. So I just purchased a bunch of this moringa leaves from the market and washed it thoroughly. So we need to dry this. So I just take a cloth and just wipe off the excess water from it. You can include this moringa powder into your smoothies, soups, salads, energy balls and tea and even yogurts. You can add it to your buttermilks and dosas and idlis as well. So I just wiped it a little bit. And now we need to separate the leaves from the stems. I'll just pull out the leaves and then spread it on a tray. If you have been using moringa powder earlier and may have purchased it online, you may have found it how costly it is to purchase it online. So it's very simple, easy and cheap to prepare it at home too. So once you have just got all the leaves out from the stems, just divide it into some trays and we leave it to dry. You can leave the trays inside the house itself and let the leaves dry out completely. Do not keep it to dry in the sun as it may change the color and the powder will get dark. This will take around 4 to 5 days depending on the climate to dry out completely. So these are completely dried now and you can hear the sound of it too. And this took me around 4 days and I dried it inside the house itself. So you need to dry the leaves completely till it's nice and crispy and you hear the sound. So the next step now is to make a powder out of it. I'll just take a handful of the dried moringa leaves and put it into a mixie jar. I've taken the dry chutney jar to make this into a powder. So I'll just pulse it once or twice and then grind it fully. Depending on your preference, you can keep this a little thicker or make it completely fine. There's no need to sieve this powder once it's ground. So the moringa powder is ready and it's well ground. It also has retained its color too. That's because we had let it dry inside the house itself. Now you need to store this in an airtight jar. Preferably a glass bottle is better for this. So you can use this now in many of your recipes. I've already used this in my chapatis, parathas, dosas and doklas as well. So you too can try this at home and include it into your diet. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon with more food recipes and tips. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.